Now that we have our Word document connected to our Excel and we have our data, let's start typing out the template of our progress report here. You're welcome to put any school you want. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can actually see what I'm typing here. I'm just going to put in a name of the school and progress report, nothing really fancy. Put in the name of the student, and then here I'm going to drag in the fields that I want. So this will be the student first name, put in a space, and the student last name. Now I'm going to create a table for all of the grades, and I have 10 grades that I'm collecting. So I am going to go to my tables button, and I need this to be 10 tall, so I'm going to insert table. I want 2 columns and 10 rows. Okay, now this is where we're going to use that transposed data that we had a moment ago. So I'm going to go over here and have all this selected. I'm going to choose copy. And I'll go back to my Word document. And I found that we need to select all the cells before we paste it. Otherwise, it tries to stick them all in one box. So now I'm going to do paste. And that puts all of our assignments in there. Now from here, all I need to do is match up the data with the title of the assignment. So I'm just going to pull them over into each box. And use this little arrow to move down here. And this way I can make sure everything lines up. Now below our table, I'm also going to let them see their daily average. And I'll pull over that data. Next we'll put in their quiz average. Pull over that data right beside it. And their test average. And then finally, their overall average. Okay, now when we want to see what it's going to look like, we can use this preview results here. And you notice our first one is actually the date row. So we can move forward, and then we have the category row. Then finally we get into our students. Now experimented, I tried to filter the recipients so that we could get rid of those first 2 rows, and I found out there was actually a bug in Word's mail merge, so it won't let you filter it down in any way. You're just going to have to basically skip those first 2 pages when you are dealing with the printouts. But as you flip through, you can kind of see what it looked like. When we do the mail merge, it won't have these gray boxes. That's just to let you know what was merged in versus what was typed in. Okay, let's save what we've got so far. We're almost done. See you in the next video.